filming?
Yeah.
Animal Kingdom today. Day 2 of Animal Kingdom.
It's only day 2?
Animal Kingdom, yeah, we've only been one day. We just spent a full day there.
Ah, I didn't know that. Here we go, day number whatever it is. We've lost the plot. Completely lost track. It's really nice. The security man thanked me for asking how he was. Oh, it's nice. This is our only second day in Animal Kingdom, isn't it?
Second full day.
It's busy. Oh yeah, it was building and building and then it just stopped. It's like they said, get out. All the people. Ready?
Here, just tap your hand only. You're good, you're good.
Oh, thank you.
Have a great day.
Why aren't we doing fingerprints?
Oh, tap your band only. That shows how busy it must be.
That's when everyone in. Oh, with a sign. Thanks. Oh.
Filming.
Instruments of music by Walt, is it?
Yeah.
It's wrong park. Yeah. We realised we haven't had a single photo in front of the tree. Not a photo pass one.
That nice lady took one though, didn't she?
Yeah, down that little...
That's probably nicer than this because there was no people there, wasn't there? I was going to wave and then I chickened out.
Oh. So we decided we're going to go do Dinosaur first and then try to do Everest?
Yeah.
Should be fun.
Everyone else is in Pandora.
Yeah, we're going to Pandora, so we'll go the other way. Everything's so strongly lit today. Back into the Dino Bash. No.
Yeah, the safari's already a 25-minute wait.
Is it?
So never mind that idea.
Everest it is. Does it have a time on?
5.
Oh, let's do it. Let's go.
Again and again and again. I'll be able to.
Get the GoPro out for this one.
Oh, yeah.
So, hear me scream in the dark because I have no idea where I'm going. I like Everest. I like it a lot. I think we did it once. Lovely and breathing.
You said it, dude. You said it was going to be at least an hour and 30 minutes. Yeah.
You with us, Will? Your Asian adventure. Here we go again. Today. Water, he's happy. Everest is so good. Try to get a bit.
I find it really like disorientating now.
I have no idea which way around I go.
I don't think doing it without my water was a good idea because it felt a bit crazy.
Oh. There goes Trey. Let's go do dinosaur because didn't know until 9:30. But if Everest was a 10-minute wait, hopefully dinosaur will be too. Let's find out.
Didn't wave back.
You tried, Will. You tried.
Come on, we can make it. We can make it.
Waving at a dog. Who are you?
Actually,
Say it again.
I said yesterday to Pluto that he was my favourite dog, but actually Doug is my favourite dog.
How about Goofy?
Is Goofy a dog?
Bolt?
Oh, Bolt is my favourite dog.
Yeah.
Because I said, didn't I, that we could have a white Alsatian.
A white Alsatian, yeah. With a lightning strike on its bum.
Yeah.
Very specific, but I'm sure we can manage it. Just Will to find the Pandora charms. How many have you bought so far? 3? 4? 4 Pandoras and he wants more.
No, I don't.
Then why are you looking at them? Do you like pretty things? Like me? We're forming a plan. What's the plan, Will?
Pandora.
Flights of passage.
For a fast pass. Up the Great Bird Adventure for 10:30. And then I feel like our second fast pass might be
It'll
red.
be the rapids.
Yeah.
Look at
the
the
rapids.
queue. Which queue is this for?
Flight of Passage.
No. Oh my god.
I do have my doubts we'll make the 10:30 show, but I feel like
This is the end of Pandora. Oh my god, look at him.
we get this one then.
Yeah. I think we did. I don't know if we did, you know. Not this side. Do you want to? Kind of a photo, that's photo. Here we go. Yeah, they've held the queue up, haven't they?
Yeah.
No wonder it's over like 2
Maybe
hours.
it's more shaded down there.
Did I see a sign that said it was 180 minutes?
180,
That's
yeah.
3 hours.
Oh yeah, it is, isn't it?
Why would you do that
I
to
know.
yourself?
Makes me think in 3 hours the park is going to get a lot busier.
Yeah, when he comes out of here, starts coming out of it, yeah.
Flights of Passage.
Second fast pass. I could never imagine queuing for this again.
No.
Like if you miss a fast
It's
pass.
good, but
I'm not doing it.
no.
Such cool theming. Do you enjoy it?
Such a good ride.
It is amazing, isn't it?
I feel like it's definitely like the best ride here, even if it's not
In terms
my
of the
favourite.
technology and stuff behind it. Enjoying your walk through Pandora? Taking the sights? Well, oh look, a tree.
We haven't come in this way to Asia, have we?
Don't think we have actually. We've walked past the up show.
Yeah.
Asia. Little Russell. And Doug. Where's Kevin?
An explorer is a friend to all.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
Or fall, I don't know.
Things must be explored.
The wilderness must be explored.
Caw, caw, roar.
Caw, caw, roar.
Well done.
Adventurers and explorers, hello! And namaste. My name is Annika and welcome to another moon where adventurers meet up. I love this time of year. Many holidays around the world are celebrated with light. And the same is true here in Anandapur. For this is the season of the Hindu celebration, Diwali, which we call the Festival of Light. This year, Diwali falls November 7th through the 12th. Now, across India, there are different stories of Diwali. Happy Diwali! I'm especially glad that you all found your way here. Absolutely every day leads to a new adventure. Wait, look now! Two new friends, let's welcome them! Made it, boy! Thanks to our wilderness explorer compass, we're here! We're really here! Wait, where is here? You're in Anandapur, India. Wow, we're in Nanda Panda. No, Nanda? We're in India. That is right. Anandapur. So, who are you? My name is Russell. I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12. Shabash, Russell. And who is your furry friend? He's my dog. We found him in South America. And he's trained. Shriek boy. Speak boy.
Hi there.
Did he just say
Hi there. My name is Doug.
Oh my! You can talk! I've never met a talking dog before.
Oh yes, I can talk. I have just met you, and I love you.
I love you too, Doug! I'm Annika, a senior wilderness explorer from the local Chedia tribe, Walt. We are going to create a forest right now. So, if you're seated at the end of the row in our lower center section, go ahead and stand up. Yes, little sapling. Now take a step into the aisle and face the explorer opposite you. Then raise your arms high up, like a canopy of trees. That's right. And hold it.
All right, Miles, check out this cool canopy. All you have to do if you're meeting the canopy is stay nice and still for me and respect our feathered friend. But watch closely. When he leaves my hand, he tends to be pretty fast. What do you say, Miles? You want to show off that fancy flying today? That's called cheating. All right.
Let's show him off.
Yeah, it was showing off, absolutely. We're going to try that one more time because I know he can do it. And remember, you just want to leave enough space for Miles to fly right through. So you don't necessarily have to touch hands, but give him a little bit of a pathway to go through, and it'll be pretty cool, I think. What do you say, Miles? Want to go through this time? I think you can do it. Your favorite trainer down there, Lucy, is out. There we go. Nice job.
Wasn't that cool, Russell?
Yeah, what do you guys think?
Yeah?
Okay.
All right, let's do the other side. That's right, it's your turn now, Miles.
Yeah, Miles, you did it.
Bird.
Oh, you like them, huh? Well, I don't really have any flying insects, but you know what I do have? I have a great. Hey, let's try this out.
What a catch!
Pretty impressive. Ground hornbills are pretty amazing birds. So they get their name because they feed on the ground using that large bill. But they can actually use it with the force of a large sledgehammer.
my camera. Oh, okay, your camera. No, that's his camera.
Oh, that's the camera. Someone come out here quick, please, and help me get this bird. Sorry.
Oh, he is an angry birdie.
Well, he's not angry, Doug.
Russell, I am so sorry about your camera. Maybe we can fix it. That's all right. My wilderness explorer camera. Safe and sound.
Are you all right, small mailman?
At least I don't have to worry about breaking it anymore.
Always makes us laugh, right, Scott?
Absolutely. So he actually learned how to mimic by listening to the family he used to live with. But along the way, he became one of the best at mimicry I've ever heard. So let's see if he wants to show some of it off for us today. All right, Groucho, finish that tasty treat that you're munching on there. Because we don't want to talk with our mouth full after all. All right, you ready to show off? Well, that was a good start. That was your little teaser track, yeah? Okay, we're gonna try that again, because I know he's got more in him. Let's try it.
My cousins in the West have told me so much about these birds. She's so majestic.
Well, yeah, and inspiring. Not too long ago, bald eagles just like Hope were placed on the endangered species list. Then, through conservation efforts, all of us played a part helping their populations to recover. See, look, a spectacled owl over here with Lauren. Oh, a little Livingston's turtle. Hey. Check out that cool mohawk on his head.
Hey, Tom, you've got a new friend, Russell.
Oh, my.
They like me. They really like me. They sure do.
I too can run around like birdies.
Look, it's flying like a bird now. Hey, adventure is out there.
Oh, so many birdies. I love them all.
Thanks for showing us so many birds. A pleasure.
Glad you got to meet all of our feathered friends here today.
Like the fireworks of Vivani, birds in flight give me hope for the new year. Nature and all of its wonderful creatures are all around. All we have to do is look up. Right, Russell? That's right. Oh yeah, the wilderness must be explored. Now let's go and have a wonderful next adventure. Namaste. Bye.
So, Hope's Great Bird Adventure.
It's not very birdy.
Needs more birds.
It's too happy.
Yeah.
Like they walked away, but barely.
Too much Russell and Doug. Not enough birds. And the birds that were there didn't really perform. Well, they did. But I don't know, it's just a bit like, yeah, this isn't working today, let's do something else.
Just doing our order for Santuli County.
We're going to eat nice and early because we've got a few fast passes this afternoon. Back to Pandora? Back to Pandora.
This place, I'm having the mixed bowl, Dan's having the Balba.
Cheeseburger, steamed pods, yum yum.